So ngayon mga George, tapos na tayo sa ating pag-install ng forehead mirror sa NV350. So ngayon mga George, ito ang pangalawang customer natin na galing sa So what's up mga George, magkakabit tayo.
Just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad, I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not.
Para sa bracket ng forehead natin. Tanggalin natin yan, no? Baba mo naman yung kunin yung bracket. So ito may bracket siyang kasama. Bracket ng forehead. I-attach lang natin sa body. Meron na siyang naka-weld na nut. At meron siyang bolt na nakakabit. Straight power.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after
Ikas tayo ng square. Kasi wala siyang perfect na sukat. Hindi katulad ng high is naka-fix kasi may bracket to. Unti-unti natin hanggang makuha natin yung perfect na butas. George, anong dinadrawing mo? Drawing ako ng building. Kailangan ng mga bintana. Siyempre. Di ba? Pantay na pantay, di ba mga George? Pantay na pantay yan. Parang install ayun ni George. Adjust natin konti. Medyo tabing. So yan mga George. Nagtatabas ulit tayo hanggang makuha natin yung perfect na butas!
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Mga George, no? Magkikigil lang tayo para mapantay natin yung mga tabasa.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Puntahan niya mga George. Yan yung mga sukat ni RD. Engineer lang na ako. Mas magaling magsukat pag scientist.
The work yan.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need.
We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Tayo sa ating pag-install ng forehead mirror sa NV350. So ngayon mga George, ito ang pangalawang customer natin na galing sa YouTube channel natin. So maraming salamat sa suporta mga George. So paano mga George, hanggang dito na lang. Tignan nyo ang pag-install natin. Ito na ang finished product. So ngayon mga George, may mga pupuntahan pa tayo. Alas 3 meron tayong photoshoot kay Bruno. So ngayon, tinapos lang natin lahat ng gagawin natin. Para mamaya, punta tayong all homes. Kasama natin si Carl Villanueva, tropa nating photographer yon. Piniem niya ako kung available si Bruno. Kaya papakarwash mo natin si Bruno. So paano mga George? Hanggang dito na lang. Abangan nyo mga susunod na video. Kung bago ka na sa channel ko, huwag mo kalimutang mag-like, share, comment, subscribe. Huwag mo kalimutang mag-hit yung notification bell button para updated ka sa mga bagong video ko. So paano mga George? Shoutout ulit sa aking tropa, no? Faith, Apoy, syempre, sa kumpare ko, no? Precious style. Diyan na kayo.